Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this amazing block toy called Magic Tablets.
You'll need the following materials: 80 craft sticks, ribbon, painter's tape, one hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Parent supervision is also advised. For step 1, all you need to do is measure out 7 centimeters on a craft stick and cut it out with a pair of scissors. Make sure that both sides of the craft stick are flat, and then repeat this step until you have a total of 10 craft sticks. In step 2, you're going to take 5 of the cut craft sticks, line them up, and tape them together in the center. I personally like to line the craft sticks up on a piece of tape to minimize the gaps between them. After wrapping the middle in tape, take 2 more pieces of tape, anywhere from 10 to 15 centimeters, and wrap them around the top and bottom areas of the craft stick rectangle. When you're done, repeat this process with the other 5 craft sticks. Step 3 is quite similar to step 2. You just need to place one of the craft stick rectangles on top of the other and tape them together at the top, bottom, and in the center. Make sure that the tape is tightly wound around the rectangle at least 2 times. And ta-da! You made one block. Step 4. Repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 7 times, or until you have a total of 8 blocks. In step 5, you're going to measure and label the 3.5 centimeter mark, the 1.75 centimeter mark, and the 5.25 centimeter mark on all 8 blocks. I used a permanent marker because the pencils were too faint for my liking. For step 6, you just need to measure and cut out 3 40 to 50 centimeter ribbons. I went on the safe side and did 50. Step 7 requires a glue gun, so you're going to need parent permission or supervision. In this step, you glue 2 ribbons to the 1.75 centimeter and 5.25 centimeter marks on one block. Afterwards, glue the remaining ribbon to the 3.5 centimeter mark on the opposite side of the other 2 ribbons. The ribbons on one side should face the ribbon on the other side. Step 8 involves weaving the ribbons around the blocks. Start by pulling the ribbons across the block and then add a block on top. Flip the block to the side and put a drop of hot glue on the markings. Then pull the ribbon onto the glue and across the top block. Repeat on the other side. Then do this until all blocks have been used. To complete step 9, you need to cut off any excess ribbon and hot glue them down to the last block. Yay, you're done! To watch your Magic Tablets toy create magic, simply tilt the top block and watch the other blocks fall down the ribbon. You can also try experimenting with other tricks.
So you might be wondering how this toy works. Why don't the blocks get stuck? How do they just fall down the ribbon? Well, the blocks appearing to cascade down the ribbon is actually an illusion. Illusions are defined as a thing that is or is likely to be wrongly perceived or interpreted by the senses. Take a look at this image. What do you see? You might notice that there are overlapping diagonal checkered lines. But look closer. Each line is actually straight, and each box is the same size as every other box. The Magic Tablets toy creates a visual illusion, which is the distortion of movement, form, size, or color in the visual field. Visual illusions, also known as optical illusions, use visual deception, or the art of using images to mislead viewers. A more specific category of visual illusions is a kinetic illusion, or the illusion of movement. But how do illusions work? Well, humans have binocular vision, or vision through 2 eyes. Most of the time we view objects with both eyes. The brain is responsible for combining the two images we see, one from each eye, into one final image. But if the images do not merge properly, it can result in us seeing an illusion. For example, look at the image to the side. If it appears to be pulsing, then you're seeing an illusion. However, the Magic Tablet's toy is a little different. The illusion is the result of one block after another flipping over. It may seem like the blocks change orientation by falling, but instead, they merely flip over. After flipping over, one block will hit the next, and that block will flip as part of a chain reaction. Make sure to check out these websites for additional information, and thank you so much for watching.